Thunderstorm Watch number 32, effective until 7 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. This watch includes the following counties in Ohio: Crawford, Hancock, Ottawa, Sandusky, Seneca, Wood, and Wyandot. Remember, a severe thunderstorm watch means the conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including large hail and damaging winds in and close to the watch area. While severe weather may not be imminent, persons should remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions and listen for later statements and possible warnings. Stay tuned to NOAA weather radio, commercial radio and television outlets, or internet sources for the latest severe weather information. Repeating, severe thunderstorm watch number 32 has been issued until 7 a.m. Eastern Standard Time for the following counties in Ohio: Crawford, Hancock, Ottawa, Sandusky, Seneca, Wood, and Wyandot. The current time is Ohio. It was cloudy. It was 69 at Parkersburg, 65 at Erie, 57 at Meadville, 60 at National Weather Service forecast office in Cleveland. We supply the latest available Central Ohio program on the frequency of 162.40. Cold front will push through the length over station WNG 698, resting on a frequency of 162.500 megahertz. On the latest weather map, a strong low pressure system will move. Wind advisory in effect from 7 a.m. to 4 p.m. Eastern Standard Time Sunday. West of tonight, mostly cloudy. Showers with a slight.
That was interesting.
Well, hallelujah, motherfuckers.
Now Ireland's got an SVR back.
I probably did not make it in time
What do you mean?
to catch that.
That's fine.
Hear that? Those are interest rates going up. And that is the sound of your big plans going down. Because higher rates make doing them more expensive. But at Dollar Bank, rates are still as low as 2.79% APR on a 7-year home equity loan with only $75,000 borrowed and no closing costs. But do it now, before... Yeah, that. To lock in your home equity loan, just tap the screen. Dollar Bank.
Madison,
Let's
and
get you
Indiana,
there.
issued by Indianapolis. And they just issued an SBR too for Hamilton, Hancock, Henry, Madison, and Marion. So geez, that's a double header right there.
Wait a minute, this first in Zion.
What?
Where's Max located at?
Knox County, Ohio?
Is he? No, he's not in this.
No, he's not in this.
How about say